Hello everyone, Johnny here. Just want to plant another seed of hope in your heart. Proverbs 12:25. Anxiety in the heart of man causes depression, but a good word makes it glad. Wow, anxiety left unchecked will lead to depression, and anxiety. I had a pastor tell me this one time and it made me so mad I wanted to punch him in the mouth because I was full of anxiety and I couldn't shake it. I was just always in a constant state of just intense anxiety and I couldn't get rid of it. And he said, Johnny, the root of your anxiety is because you're not trusting God. Man, I wanted to slap him, but he was telling me the truth. You see, my heart had found places where I was not trusting God. I wasn't trusting God with my future. I wasn't trusting God to help me through my current circumstances. I wasn't trusting God to be there and to come through for me. And because of that, my heart was in fear and anxiety, which did lead to depression. But I'm here to tell you, my friend, God is trustworthy. He loves you so deeply and He cares. And as we focus our heart upon the Lord Jesus Christ and all that He has completed, He lifts our hearts to a place of joy and peace. Anxiety leaves, joy is restored, and depression cannot have a stronghold in a heart that's full of joy. God bless you.